Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, working on a 2017 Mazda 6. Person is saying that their vehicle won't start, but the inside, everything on the inside comes on. You need a minimum of 5 to 6 volts for the stuff on the inside, your accessories to work. And I hadn't even begun to look at the battery yet, and he's already at 9.87. It takes 9 volts before when you turn the key just to get the starter to crank. So I can already say that this battery is bad. So let's do it together. I'm going to hit enter. This machine that I'm using you can get from Amazon, and it will be in the description. And hit enter, enter, enter again, cranking amps. It's going to be 575. I got that from right there. All right, so we're going to go down to 575. We're going to hit enter. It is cold outside, so batteries are starting to really show their behinds. As you can see, the battery is not looking too good. So what I'm going to do, I'm doing this with one hand. You can buy this at Amazon too, and this will be in the description. I'm going to actually physically take, and I'm doing this video because now that it's getting cold, it's going to happen to a lot of people. Batteries work twice as hard when it comes to being in the cold weather. So I like this right here, so I don't have to walk around with a big giant pack. It's very small, compact. I can charge up my phone and all this blah blah blah. So what we're going to do, oops, I just dropped it. I'm doing it one hand, people. One hand. So all I do is take this. I'm going to plug this into there. I'm going to take the positive on the positive, the negative on the negative. It's telling me to hit the boost button because the battery is so low. I'm going to come over here, and if the starter starts to crank and the car starts, that means that it's the battery. I can barely fit in here. All right, so we're going to hit the gas and start her up. And you're just gonna, as you already heard, the car was trying to drag and start. This vehicle needs a battery. All right, I'm only doing this to show you guys that what happens when it gets cold outside. The engine just dragged a little bit. This battery is so discharged. I'm going to use my truck and use big jumper cables to try to charge this battery up to give it more amperage. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.